Have you ever felt totally stuck learning a new language? Well, what if I told you the problem isn't your method, but your map? Today, we're going to explore a really cool framework that looks at language learning as this epic journey, and it all starts at a place called the gate of listening. This quote right here really sets the stage. Just imagine it. Your whole language journey starts inside the walls of an ancient city. It's your safe zone, right? It's where everything begins, from learning your very first word to dreaming about one day having a fluent conversation. So, our journey starts here, in what you might call the beginner stage. Think of it as just living inside the city walls. It's a safe, familiar place where you can kind of get your bearings. Yeah, inside these walls, you're shielded from all the chaos of a brand new language. It's a protected space where you can just focus on the absolute fundamentals, the alphabet, some core words, without any of the pressure of a real-time, high-stakes conversation.
This is where you build that foundation, one piece at a time. You start with the alphabet, then you build some vocabulary, you practice how things sound, and then you start stringing together little expressions. It's exactly like exploring a new city, one street at a time.
And this is where modern tools are just amazing. AI can be like your personal tutor inside the city walls. I mean, it has literally endless patience. It'll repeat words for you, it'll correct your small mistakes, and it will practice pronunciation with you for as long as you want. But you can't stay safe inside the city forever, right? Eventually, you've got to venture out. And that brings us to a really critical turning point in this whole journey, the gate of listening. So, how do you do it? How do you leave the city and begin the real adventure? Well, the exit isn't about speaking perfectly. The key to opening that gate is actually a completely different skill. It's called the gate of listening. This is that pivotal moment when you can understand enough of the language, spoken at its natural speed, to just survive. You don't have to know every single word, but you can follow the flow. Reaching this gate, that's when your real journey actually begins. And let me tell you, this is where AI is an absolute game changer. It can help you get to that gate so much faster because it's like a 24/7 listening partner. You can hear natural speech, repeat it, compare your pronunciation to a native speaker's, all without any pressure or feeling judged. Okay, so passing through the gate is a huge deal, a major achievement, but it's not the final stop. Once you're outside, this whole world opens up, and the big question becomes, which path are you going to choose? Without purpose, we stand at the gate without moving. Man, that is such a powerful idea. Because this is where so many of us burn out, right? We get to a certain level, but we don't really know why we should keep going. Your purpose is basically the compass for the rest of your journey. And that purpose is what defines your path. So are you going to climb the mountain of advanced grammar? Or maybe sail the sea of just casual everyday conversation? Is your goal the big city of professional language? You have to know your destination. So, once you've picked your path, AI's role completely shifts. It's not just a teacher inside the city walls anymore. Now, it becomes your personal guide for the journey beyond. Think of it like this. Your AI guide is walking right beside you. So, if you need to practice ordering coffee for an upcoming trip, it can simulate that conversation. Want to write a diary? You can just speak it, and the AI will help you get it right. The whole thing is now personalized to your goals. And you know, this whole framework isn't just a theory. The person who came up with this has actually been living it, using AI to learn Vietnamese for the last 2 years. His experience really shows that, look, the path is long and it takes real effort. There's no magic button. But with a clear goal and the right guide, the journey isn't just possible, it's incredibly rewarding. So what's the big takeaway here? It's that this whole framework, the city, the gate, the journey, it's not just a nice story. It's a practical map that you can actually use to figure out your own language goals. And what's really powerful about this is that once you understand the map for yourself, you can share it. You could help a friend or a language partner find their own way and pass through their own gate of listening. Which brings us to the ultimate question that every single learner has to answer for themselves. Where do you want to go? Your answer to that is going to define everything that comes next. So, with your purpose as your compass and a guide ready to go, the entire world beyond the gate of listening is just waiting for you to explore it. The journey is ready. It's time to take that first step.